Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I go from having straight hair and reverting it back to my curly hair. So if that's something that y'all want to see, then just keep on watching. The first thing I like to start off with is a good homemade hair mask, and I don't use any exact measurements on anything except for the egg. Other than that, I just make sure that the mask is a consistency that I like. I know you usually aren't supposed to mask or deep condition until after you shampoo your hair, but I'm doing it before I wash my hair. That way I can kind of jumpstart the process of reverting my curls back. And of course, before I put anything on my hair, I gotta go in and make sure it's sectioned off and detangled so that it's easier to get all the product through my hair. Right before I go in with the mask, I like to make sure my hair is damp. One, because once my hair gets wet, it's easier for it to curl back up. And two, when my hair is damp, it's more receptive of whatever products I put in it. And now I'm just going in with the mask and making sure my hair is saturated from root to tip. This part is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm gonna speed it up a little bit. When I go in with any conditioner, I make sure I pay extra attention to the ends of my hair since that is the oldest part. I know it's going to need the most nourishment. And this is how the bottom half of my hair is looking before I move on to the top half. And as y'all can see, we already got some curls popping. Once I move on to the top half of my head, I'm just going to be repeating the exact same steps I did to the bottom half. Now that I have the mask throughout my whole head, I'm gonna go ahead and just take a hair clip and kind of pin my hair back so that everything can be in place. I do like to let this mask sit for about 30 minutes. I try not to overdo it since it has egg in it. The proteins can be stripping to your hair if you do it too long or too frequently. And of course, I'm just going in with a shower cap to kind of help generate whatever little extra heat I can catch to kind of help deeper penetrate the mask into my hair. And this is how my hair was looking after I let the mask sit for a good 30 minutes. To get the mask out of my hair, I just followed up with my regular wash day routine with my mane and tail shampoo and conditioner. And now I'm just going in with some of my It's a 10 leave-in conditioner and just spritzing that throughout my hair. And as always, before I do anything to my hair, gotta section and detangle before we start applying product. So when I first started styling my hair, I was originally planning on doing a half up, half down style. So I was just going in with some of my Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink curling gel. When I'm styling my natural hair, I don't use any method in particular, just whatever I feel will work at the time. So as y'all can see, I'm kind of going back and forth between the raking method and the praying hands. And again, whatever I did to the bottom half of my hair, I'm gonna just go in and make sure I do the exact same thing to the top half. And once I finished applying product to the top half of my hair, I went back over the bottom half with my detangler brush so I can make sure that the product was evenly distributed throughout my hair. And just because whenever I go in with the brush, I feel like it helps define my curls a little bit better. So here y'all just see me carving out my little bangs that I've been wearing. And I feel like these bangs just fit me so well. Like they just add a little something to my face, a little detail. And they go so cute with curly or straight hairstyles. So that's a plus. Y'all, I was so hopeful for this half up, half down style to work because I knew it would have came out so cute. But my hair was literally shrinking before I even finished doing the top half of it. For my bangs, I'm just going in with the edge brush and a little bit of my edge booster to kind of slick it down and separate it from the rest of my hair. And then I'm just finger coiling it, of course, to make sure that the curl is actually defined and cute. So at this point I had realized that the half up half down thing was not gonna work, so I was like, we not even tripping, we just finna go with a ponytail, a high ponytail. That way it'll still be cute, I can still wear my little bangs. I'm just pulling out a little hair on the side by my ear to add a little more detail. And then of course I'm gonna go in and do the exact same thing to those little parts that I did with the bangs. And now that I finally got my ponytail in place, it's only right if I go in with some edge control and make sure everything is slicked down and looking cute. So that's exactly what I'm doing with my edge brush and my edge booster. And everything that I've mentioned, I will have linked down below in the description box as always. And with this hairstyle, it's super quick and super easy depending on how like slick down you want your ponytail to be. I obviously was not too worried about my ponytail looking sleek. I just wanted y'all to be able to see that the curls is back. Obviously y'all can see that like with the bangs and the little side pieces. And then because I went in with the curling gel before I put my hair into the ponytail, the curls within my ponytail are defined also. Now I'm just going in real quickly to kind of try to fluff my ponytail apart and make sure it's not all stuck together. And y'all, that's literally all that I do to get my curls back after I've had my hair straightened. And all of this literally takes an hour or less depending on how long you decide to leave the mask on. Now I'm just going in with my fingers to kind of make sure everything is slicked down and looking how I want it to. And of course, y'all know I had to go throw on some hoops because I just wouldn't be me if I didn't. But that is going to be it for this video. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.